Hey, sweet friends, Lauren Valentino here. If you're a woman who is thin on time but heavy on goals and you realize that summer's right around the corner, you just don't know how you're going to carve out the time to get your body in a shape that you're going to feel confident in anything that lives in your closet, listen up. I have got such a special treat for you today. I'm about to introduce you to our top trainer inside of our Holyfield challenges. She is my personal magic bullet when I know that I've got just a few weeks to whip it into amazing shape. She will show you how to maximize your minutes to get massive results. I'm not even going to talk anymore. I'm just going to introduce you to Hannah. All you need is 10 minutes. Grab some workout bands and let's do this.
Hi friends, it's a beautiful day to get up and move your body. My name is Hannah. I will be your trainer for strength training during the Holyfield challenges of Bikini Bod Blitz and a few more coming along the way. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek as to what you'll be getting into with strength training. This is going to be a quick 10-minute video for you guys to just understand how we work and at the capacity of what we can work from home, okay? I worked out from home for 3 years and I still do it now even. I don't want that to be an excuse for you to not show up for yourself and work, okay? So total body, you're gonna need your bands, you're gonna need some dumbbells, or if you're just watching this, you will need bands and dumbbells when you join, all right? So let's go ahead and do this thing. We're assuming that we went and got nice and warm already. We are warm, we are ready to go. Hold on, to do this thing, okay? Whew, I haven't booty shaken in a while. Here we go, let's do this thing. Okay, we're gonna start with the bands. So every program will come with these bands. You will have a door stopper in them, which is why I'm in this beautiful room with the door, okay? The door stopper will allow you to go heavier with your bands and you can adjust the height of what you are working, all right? We're gonna start with a squat to pull. So sitting straight back in those glutes. Okay, we're gonna be working those legs, booty, and the arms at the same time. So standing here, I want you to drive those elbows straight down and squeeze shoulder blades together. Okay, we wanna be pulling with the elbows, not with the biceps. Okay, making sure to pull straight down. So if I move this way, you can see here. Okay, I'm pulling down into my chest. Core is staying nice and tight. Shoulders are back. Okay, and rotate. All right, with these bands, you can also go a lot heavier. So right now I'm pulling 60 pounds with that resistance, which adds a little bit of an elevated level to it. Okay, keep driving, open chest. That way when we do rounds and rounds of exercises, you can start to increase the bands, as well as week by week when we repeat, you'll have a tracking sheet to increase your weight. Give me 3, 2, 1 more, pull, good. Let's move into our lunge to chest. So from here, you can unclip these little bands, okay? I love these things. All right, and I want you guys challenging yourselves here. So the bands come in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, that way you can just pop on a little one if you need to. You're then going to face this direction, same thing, right? We're hitting lunge to chest here. So I want you guys lunging forward and give me a big chest squeeze and back. I'm gonna scoot closer to that door. So elbows above wrists, big lunge, feel the quad, squeeze through the chest and return. Alternating back and forth, squeezing those shoulder blades together that we just worked hard. Again, core stays tight. Okay, you're working with that resistance. Sing, that pulls you straight backwards. Okay, and you have to stabilize. So you're turning on even more muscles than you would use with a dumbbell or a machine at the gym. If you haven't used bands before, don't sleep on these things, okay? We don't play when it comes to the bands. All right, let's go. Pick up that pace a little bit. Leg day, man. When we do leg day together, that heart rate's coming up. You are leaning the legs, you're burning fat, you're toning, you're lifting the booty. Everyone I talk to wants a little lifted booty, so we gotta squeeze those peaches. Good. Okay, 2 more with the lunges. 1 more. Okay, standing straight up. Let's get a good press and go. Palms are now facing down. Okay, just burning out that chest. Chest stays open. Open the shoulders and squeeze through center here. Good. Open, tight. Let's do it. Give me 5. Come on, focus. Shoulder blades stay back. 2 and 1. Good. Release. Phew. All right. Grabbing those dumbbells. Okay, moving into our dumbbell round. We will work with both bands and dumbbells and mini bands, okay? So we'll be alternating equipment to kind of shock your body, allow your body to never get used to anything, so that we're building that muscle and burning fat, okay? A lot of times when we do the same things for too long, your body kind of gets used to it. So it's good to shock the system. Okay, with this one, I want you in a low squat position. You're gonna step, step, press, and down. Okay, leading with that booty, press up and down. Okay, making sure the core stays tight with that press overhead. All right, this is just the warm-up. We're gonna add a little bit more into this one. Okay, staying low, making sure to shove the hips backwards. Okay, I'm not using my quads here, barely. I'm using that booty and up. You wanna lift the booty, you gotta use the booty. Okay, I'm gonna teach you cues. We're gonna work together to get that form down so that you're feeling these movements where you should be feeling them, okay? And drop. Good. One more time. And we're gonna get a good booty burnout here, okay? And drop. From here, we're going to deadlift to row, back up, okay? Drop, row, and up. So going from using that pushing movement to our pulling movements, alternating and supersetting together, will allow your body to reach a whole new level of fat burning. Also, don't forget, you're gonna have some jams in the background so you can have a good time. Okay, this should be fun for you. It's fun for me. I love doing these challenges with you guys. Okay, push the hips, row, and release. You should be pushing the glutes backwards so you feel this in your glutes, in your hamstrings. Okay, and up. Beautiful. And drive. Give me 2. And up. One more. Push, drive, and down. Okay, we're going to come onto the ground here using those dumbbells. Forward to back. You see me on the ground? Can you see me on the ground? All right. Booty goes up in the air. Okay. We're here. And we're going to drop down, up, and drop. Press, release, and squeeze. Okay, training total body today. When we enter into these strength exercises, we will be training all upper push one day, all upper pull and hamstrings one day, and then all legs one day. Okay, so a 45-minute focus on just targeting that specific muscle group. Okay, that will allow you to grow that lean muscle. Everyone wants to be lean and toned, baby. That's what you're doing. Okay, we'll be leaning and toning by focusing on those muscle groups one at a time. Whew, I'm working up a sweat, baby. Let's go. Feels good to move your body. Right? It is a gift to move your body. Zone in and up. Every week, we're focusing on getting better, getting stronger, pushing those weights. Okay, we want to accomplish things that aren't just on a scale. We want to set goals that are not just on a scale. Okay, set yourself up for success. See how hard you're working in other areas. Staying up and crush. For 5, 4, I am sweating, baby. 3, we are only 8 minutes in, and I am sweating. Good, and 1, drop it down. Whew. All right, we're gonna be sitting in that squat position, or lunge position, excuse me. Static lunge, here, okay? I want you to hold, and we're gonna lunge, curl, press, drop, and up. Lunge, curl. Yeah, girl, let's go. Feel the burn. Those quads should be burning. Legs should be shaking. Okay, we've been working them for the last few minutes here. Drive. Good. Drop. Come on, we can do this. Zone in. If you're doing this with me, okay, I want you to focus on your breath work. Feel your body moving for you. Okay, if you feel a burn, that means we're doing it right. Let's go. Drop. Up. Whoo, baby. One more. Good. Drive. Switch legs. Same thing. Okay, working on those curls. Boop. And that press overhead. Okay, we want to find that definition. We want to get that heart rate to a point and those muscles to a point where they start to burn. Okay, if you're burning, it means we're doing something right. Clearly, I need to pick up my cardio, which we can do with our HIIT trainers this season. Jump in there with you guys. Come on, we're doing this together. Feel that pressure in that front leg. Knee stays aligned with toe. Drive. What's it worth to you here? Okay, what's it worth to you to change? Change your habits, change your life. Change your workout style. Try something new. Okay, do it with humility. You've probably been trying things for a long time now. Okay, trust us here. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Last one. Drive and drop. Whew! All right, friends. How are you feeling? 10 minutes, okay? That right there was about 8 and something minutes. We would do that same series 3 more times, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40. We would do that 3 more times, okay? And when we're focusing on single muscle groups, we are gonna be doing those muscle groups superset back and forth. If you've worked out, you know what that means, okay? So really putting as much tension on those muscles as possible to grow them, to shred them, to lean them. Okay, I've been doing these workouts for years. It's pretty much the majority of what I do. It works if you put in the work, and I'm so excited to work with you guys when you join these challenges. We're gonna push hard. We're gonna hit new limits. Okay, we're gonna count on things, and we're gonna celebrate things that aren't just on a scale. We're gonna celebrate you. And every single day that you show up, we're gonna celebrate you putting in one more day, one more rep into where you wanna be. You rock. Let's do this thing.